Nakilala ko siya kasi magka-work kami. So, same kami ng office. And then, nung andun pa ako sa recruitment, siya yung hiring manager. So, dun talaga nag-start.
Looking forward into the light. I found you.
Si Jowa kasi, sobrang giving niyang tao. Tapos mabait talaga siya. I think yun naman yung nakita kong pagbabago sa sarili ko nung naging kami. Parang, she made me want to be a better person. Na dapat mas maging understanding ka or dapat mas maging mapagbigay ka. So yun yung nakita ko na tinulungan niya talaga akong maging better.
Sky is blue when I'm with you. Finally.
Sobrang pinaghandaan ko yung event na to for you. Sana nagustuhan mo. At saka, thank you for always taking care of me. I've decided na maging ganito yung type ng proposal na gagawin ko kasi marami namang pwedeng different kinds of proposal. Pero kasi she would always give me the best. So, inisip ko, yung proposal, gusto kong i-porta na talaga kung ano yung deserve niya. So, sana nagustuhan mo. Siya kasi una-una kaya niya yung tantrums ko, kahit anong tantrums ko, whatever, anong kabugdutan ko, talagang namamanage niya ako. Gracefully niya ginagawa yun. Tapos, lagi siyang andyan for me, sobrang caring niya. Parang wala na talaga akong ibang mahilig pa.
Congratulations, Gabby and Joa! We are so happy and we're excited for both of you.
Congratulations, Gabby and Joa! We're very grateful to be part of your love and the celebration. We love you!
You've always been so kind and patient to me. You've healed even the parts of me that I didn't know was broken. If you let me, every day, I'll try my best to make you happy.
Super blanco na lahat. Pagbukas ng pinto, tapos nakita ko siya sa aisle. So parang hindi ko na alam ang mga sumunod na nangyari. Basta hindi ko na nga alam, lumuhod ba siya or hindi ko na siya napansin talaga. As in, naglakad lang ako, tapos medyo stand talaga. Boo, thank you. Alam ko medyo malaki ang effort na ginugol mo dito. It's always a yes. I love you. Ever since naman na naging kami, it's always a yes for Gabby. So alam kong gusto kong mag-spend ng rest of my life with her.